In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to update the stock levels for loss and damage products and materials. For your materials, click on the stock level of the material that you want to update. Select the type and in the drop-down, select loss and damage. Put the quantity that you want to update and click Update. This is going to pop up just to make sure that you are sure to make this change or if you want to undo it. For your products, on the left sidebar, click on Products and then select the stock level of the product that you want to update. And the process is the same. Select loss and damage like your stock level update, click Update, and make sure if everything is correct or click Undo if you want to make some changes. And this is how you can update stock levels for loss and damage materials and products.